Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? It is fall, my favorite season of the year, and now that I live on an island, I really miss the pretty colors, warm smells, and cozy atmosphere. This is my ode to fall with a delicious pumpkin spice hair mask that looks good enough to eat. It provides intense moisture, restores the hair, and promotes healthy hair growth. You ready? Before we begin, I would love it if you like this video because it truly supports my channel. And I hope you will be inspired to subscribe for more amazing recipes. The first step is preparing our spices. What's a pumpkin dessert or drink without a warm spice? This recipe calls for 2 heaping tablespoons of fenugreek powder. I will link all the ingredients in the description box below per usual. Fenugreek is one of my favorite Indian hair growth herbs, and I use it in many recipes. It contains nicotinic acid and proteins that stimulate hair growth and strengthen and nourish hair at the root. I find that it provides a superior source of moisture and protein balance. My hair is never left feeling hard or brittle. The mucilage content produced by this spice helps to detangle very tangled and matted hair, while also adding smoothness and shine. You didn't think I'd forget cinnamon, did you? A heaping teaspoon is more than enough. Not only does cinnamon give this recipe the smell that we know and love, but it removes buildup from the scalp while also creating a tingling sensation on the scalp that encourages blood flow to that area. When the scalp is stimulated, it becomes a perfect environment for increased hair growth. Cream helps to take pumpkin over the top, doesn't it? For the cream, we are using a full can of hot coconut milk, but you can use rice milk or almond milk, or skip a milk altogether. Not only is coconut milk a super affordable ingredient, but it is also rich in lauric acid. Lauric acid allows coconut milk to easily penetrate the hair and strengthen the hair cuticle. Coconut milk slows hair loss and treats the scalp. Yum! These ingredients are already amazing on their own. To get the perfect consistency, we also need to go in with a cup of hot water. Give that a mix to evenly distribute the spices. And then cover for at least 6 hours to allow the power of these spices to be infused. 6 hours later, and it's time to uncover the mixture and put it into a blender. Time to add the main ingredient, delectable pumpkin. We're using an entire can of pumpkin for this recipe. Pumpkin is not only good for the body, but it is also good to be applied topically to the hair. Pumpkin is rich in potassium, vitamin A, and zinc, which help to maintain the health of the hair and promote hair growth. Zinc especially stimulates dormant hair follicles by encouraging collagen production. You can peel and boil fresh pumpkin, but that seemed a bit too involved for me. So to make this recipe easier, I went the canned route. Hair care should be fun, but most importantly, easy. I'm blending to thoroughly combine the ingredients, and I highly recommend not skipping this step. Now for the most important step, straining with a nut milk bag. This is a step we cannot skip whatsoever. Even though the blender got the mixture smooth, there is still leftover bits. After straining, this is what we have. A super smooth mix that will be a dream to use and rinse out. Take a look at what is left over. This sticky and gooey residue would be stuck throughout our strands and would take several washes to rinse out. Just look at it. That's not cute. Anyway, let's finish up. Of course, every pumpkin recipe needs a sweetener. We need 3 tablespoons of honey. I use honey in every hair mask for a reason. Honey is an emollient and a humectant, making it a perfect ingredient to smooth and moisturize the hair. It also adds shine and luster to dry and dull hair. And finally, we add 4 tablespoons of oil. I highly recommend my hair growth oil. I already have a dedicated video on how I make it, so you can check it out in the card above. Use any oil of your choice, such as coconut, olive, aloe vera, or avocado. Stir and mix all the ingredients together. This is my favorite part. I love to see how it all comes together. And we're done. We have an incredibly yummy mask that combines fall superfood pumpkin with the powerfulness of India's hair growth secrets. This mask packs a very heavy punch. The slip is insane, the moisture is phenomenal, and the shot of protein gives curls the bounce and shine they need to look their best. Let's apply it and see for yourself. I'm starting off with hair that has been sitting under my bonnet for a couple of days, but it doesn't feel dry. We're starting off in a good place. I take my twist down from the ends and I take my time not to cause damage or breakage. It is easy to want to rush through the wash day process, but honestly, taking your time will save you a lot of hair and heartbreak in the end. I smooth and separate my hair with my fingers. I never use combs or brushes. The length is there, and with treatments like this, it's not going anywhere. Here's what the mask is looking like up close. Yummy. As soon as I applied it onto my hair, I could instantly feel the moisture, and my tangles started to melt away. I especially apply the mixture at my root. This is where my hair tangles the most and it needs the most love. This is hands down one of the slippiest conditioners I have ever made. The slip was really out of this world. And when I did encounter a tangle, the hair mask made it melt away. I continue this process throughout my hair, smoothing and pressing it into my hair and allowing the mixture to do its thing. Look at the slip. Look at how my hands just glide through my hair. And these are the end results. Shiny, beautiful curls with lots of volume and body. The curl definition is also on point. We love to see it. I love this for us. I keep the mask on overnight, and the next morning, I am left with soft, moisturized, and strong hair that is ready to be styled. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.